my question to you is, how would I best reach out to his clients that he was dealing with?
Yeah, here's how you're going to do that, all right? Because here's the situation. R.I.P. Ricky, right? I don't know if his name was Ricky or not. That's some movie, right? And there was the R.I.P. I think it was Pets. R.I.P. Ricky. Okay, so R.I.P. Ricky. Ricky got fired. There's plenty of Rickies that are going to get fired today and tomorrow, all right? Somebody's got to take over those accounts. Here's the problem that we make with that, AG. The problem that we make with that is we call people and we go, hey, Ricky's no longer with the organization. I'm going to be your account manager now. How's it going? Right? It just doesn't sound confident, right? Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. I'm going to be stepping in here and personally working your account from this point forward, right? Oh, where's Ricky? Ricky's no longer with the organization. I'm going to be taking over, right? Come in from a very high level. I'm going to step in here and I'm going to be handling this account personally, right? Wanted to reach out to you personally to make sure my people have been taking care of you if it's an existing customer. If it's not, if it's a prospect, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed us. Well, we were working with Ricky before, haven't heard from him. What can I get you information on? Well, I'll step in here from this level and I'll take it from here on out, right? Think about it, guys. If you're at a restaurant and it's been 20 minutes since somebody filled up your iced tea, and another person comes in and goes, hey, Ricky's no longer with the restaurant, right? I'm going to take over. You're going to feel like somebody spit in your food on the way out, maybe, right? But if somebody else comes over and goes, hey, you know, and it's clearly the manager, hey, I'm going to be taking over from here on out. I'm going to be working with you guys personally. Now you at least have confidence. You've got enthusiasm. You've got credibility. You feel special. We don't want either those current clients or those prospects to feel like there's a carousel, a moving thing of reps going in and out of their account. That's where you're going to step in, AG, and be like, hey, I wanted to reach out to you. I'm going to be stepping in here personally. Anything you guys need, deal me in. I'm going to be taking over from here on out, right? Oh, thank you so much. My pleasure. What can I get you information on? Right now, that's going to give you authority and credibility. If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.